Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing another CIRO3D part. So remember just a couple of months ago when I was talking to you guys about getting the CIRO3D products, I was just kind of doing a little research on them, hadn't really ordered anything from them, kind of rolled the dice on two smaller parts, and was actually quite pleased with the products, guys. We got the engine stabilizer bar cover in the front, and then we also got the throttle servo cover down there by the air cleaner. Pretty impressed with them, guys. I went back on the website and started checking out some more of the chrome accent pieces just to see what they had. So when I found the chrome covers, I decided to go ahead and get them. I was quite impressed with the last stuff that I got from them, so this was kind of a no-brainer for me going with the chrome accent pieces. Today we're going to be installing the Tappit cover, CIRO part number 70000. It'll fit an 07 up Electra Glide, Street Glide, Road King, and Trike. We also got the engine base cover that we're going to be doing today as well, but that'll be on a separate video, so check the channel for that, guys. But before I get into the video, guys, I want to say a huge thank you to everybody that subscribed to the channel. The channel's growing like crazy. Me and my family appreciate the heck out of it, guys, and if you haven't already, please consider hitting that like and subscribe right now. Next to the subscribe button, after you click it, you'll see a little bell icon. Click that and it'll let you know every time we put a new video online. So check out our channel, guys. We got a lot of good information on there. There's over 80 videos, and if you start digging around in there, you're gonna find something, I guarantee it. All right, so we got the camera moved down here, guys, so you can see what we're working with here. This is the Tappit block cover, and this actually goes right in here. What's kind of neat about this Tappit block cover and their cylinder base covers, they have these little black inserts right here. Hopefully you can see that. Right now they're just taped on there and we can pull these off. I probably won't run them on mine because we've went pretty much all chrome on this, but to break up some of the chrome, they've added these little inserts, and you can put those back on after you get this installed. But right now we're going to take them off. So what you have to do, guys, is remove these 4 bolts right here on the front of your Tappit. It's just a 2 on each side. You want to take these out. We're going to put the cover in, and we're going to put these back on. All right, guys, now that we got the 4 bolts removed, just very easily pulled those out. We're going to go ahead and put this in and test fit it. Now, as you can see on the back of this, it does have a foam pad that runs along this edge that's stuck on there because this is going to be metal out here on the edge, and that'll keep that from being metal on metal and getting a vibration. So we'll just slide that into place just like that. So now that we have it in place, guys, we're going to use the same 4 bolts that we pulled out, and we're going to put them right back in, and we're going to torque those down to anywhere between 95 and 120 inch-pounds. But for the black inserts, guys, if you choose to put these on, they are covered in 3M sticky tape on the back. My best advice for 3M sticky tape, and it's recommended by 3M, that when you're applying, go ahead and take your thumbnail or a screwdriver or something and mar up the back of this with your thumb. That really activates the glue, and you just keep going back and forth across the whole taped area. Peel the red tape, and then of course stick it right there. And that's what it would look like with the black inserts on there. So it does look pretty good. It looks good with them, and it looks good without them, I think. So it's a nice piece of metal. It's not just chromed over plastic. It's metal, it's thick. The chrome seems to be pretty much flawless and blends into the motor very well. The lines are very clean. So it gives you a really cool piece of chrome in here, kind of covers up some of that black. So if you do have the shock and awe LED light kit from CIRO3D, that just gives another piece of chrome for your lights to kind of bounce off of. So it looks really good in there, guys. I'm really impressed with that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very, very easy install. Took less than 5 minutes to put that on, and it adds a really nice piece of chrome to your motor. So check out the website, guys. They've got a ton of products on there. They have a plethora of LED products that you can get for your bike, and they also have the engine accent pieces like we're doing. But on top of that, they also have some performance pieces. I did see some exhaust on there and some breathers and stuff like that. So just check out CIRO3D.com. Guarantee you'll find something that you like. And like I said, I can vouch for the quality of the products, guys. For the price, I'm really impressed with the way the stuff's been fitting. These pieces literally fit like a glove, every one that I've put on so far. So no altering or anything like that. It's a direct fit, no goofy gaps, goes right on. Very, very clear instructions with every piece that I've got from them. Check out the YouTube channel. Like I said, we've got a ton of videos on there, but I'll have a CIRO3D playlist, and you can go through the playlist and actually pick the parts and watch them. So I hope this video helped, guys, and if it did, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I appreciate the heck out of it, guys. But if you have any questions on this install, guys, leave it in the comments down below. I check YouTube every day, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can on it. But until the next video, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.